The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Okay, so I'm here to post a video on my baby father, aka Stylo G, aka Jason McDermott, aka Wasteman. Yeah? He posted a video about me and my son. Now, right now I'm hot, I'm feeling heated because I'm not even on Instagram like this. This is the first video I've ever done in my life on social media. Now, he posted a video about, first of all, he posted a video of my address, where his son lives. Right now, I'm gonna watch his video and I'm gonna comment on what he said, yeah?
I have my location, as I say, I'm proud of where I'm coming from. And that's one thing with me. So, I see people that throw up things from being mother come from my page and write. So, let me tell you something. This is not about, I'm not trying to justify nothing, see? I know not record and take this. So me now as a youth, me come from Jamaica, 15-year-old, 14-year-old, and brother named Cody. Move come a foreign. So
okay, let me just start something quickly, yeah? This boy says he come from a foreign with his brother Cody. Let me ask you something, Stylo. What has any of that got to do with your son? You're going to give a 5-hour speech about where you come from, how you live in one hut, how your mum was poor and... Hold on, let me listen to this.
When you move go foreign, what is the aim? The aim when you move from Jamaica, when you left from a place like Spanish Town where the realness,
the realness.
Yeah? And you go to foreign, the aim is to get a better life, right? So my aim was to get a better life. Cut long story short, my thing very simple. Now record no one run with this. So the first mother of my child called Shireen, me meet her, but she never liked my music. Ask the mother, she don't like nothing about my music. She don't like no music come here do. She never interested. It was 2015, 14, 2004, 5, 6. And it's like, you know when they do music in the house and you bring it back and you make she listen to it, she never want to hear it. She used to listen to S Club 7.
How has this got anything to do with our son?
B2K, Pretty Ricky.
I didn't even know S Club. Who listens to S Club?
I work on a site, ask the mother. I wake up 7 o'clock every morning. I bring more money into the house. I bring home my paint house, my fixed house, this for years.
Alright, let me just quickly say something. The man said he did a painting job and he pay and fixed up house for years. Yeah? But hold on, let me tell you something. You see that little pussy there? Whew. You see that boy there? Let me tell you something. Yeah, he had a job. But he stopped that job because he wanted to progress within his career. But let me tell you, who was funding you, Stylo? Me. I was giving you money. I was looking after your little waste man ass, yeah? Let me listen to the rest of your fucking story. Let me listen to this.
You know the cool. And you know the support me none at all. She never believe in me none at all. She look at me and tell me, say, me nah be no star. Me nah go become nobody. Zin? This is the mother of my child. Zin? So, I use her as a motivation. There's a song called Call Me a Yardie. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. I actually met that song because of her. She saw always say, look a yardie boy. You know when you don't have a passport, you don't have papers, you cannot travel, you get frustrated. Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let me just mention as well. You see about the part where he said about how he couldn't travel and all this shit. Yeah, he never had a passport, all this stuff. Let me tell you something. Remember this, Stylo. I am the reason why you have a passport. I am the reason why you are able to travel around the world. Yeah? Me and your son. Remember that. Yeah? We helped you get that passport. I went through your solicitor, filled out documents, lied to them and said, yeah, you're a good dad, you're supportive, you pick up your youth from school. I did that for you. Yeah? And actually, you know what? I didn't do it for you. I did it for your son. So you can stay in this country for your son. Yeah?
Better life in England and Jamaica. You know,
When's he going to start talking about his youth?
Beautiful boy, Javier. And realize things are getting worse. Because, no, we're tired or not. She tell me something, stop the music and just stay home with her and, you know the Tesco England life. You and your woman and baby. Tesco and later you come back home, ready.
What is Tesco life?
Fuck that. I never interested in that. My aim was to build up. Which family you come from? Build up, them roof, yeah?
Okay, talk about your son, talk about your son.
So she never liked that. So, listen to me now. Any English girl or any girl from America who deal with a Jamaican man supposed to know when
all now, he hasn't spoken about his son. It's an 11-minute video. All now, you haven't spoken about your son.
So, she tell me something now I'm going to become a star. She tell me something to just stay home, work on the site, do the site work.
You know what, sorry, he's boring me. Let me just quickly say right now, yeah? Let me tell you what happened. I posted a video, and actually, I posted a few words on his Instagram, yeah? And I basically called him a waste man. Let me tell you why I called him a waste man. You see, our son, yeah? My son's seeking his attention. My son loves him so bad that he's seeking attention. My youth calls him, yeah? Every single day. But that pussy Stylo G don't answer his phone, yeah? My son texts him. Because Stylo, you're meant to be picking him up at certain times. But you don't pick him up, you don't turn up, and you don't even phone. And then when Jermaine's ringing you 101 times, when you eventually answer, you then say, sorry, we couldn't make it. Hold on. I'm sure you was on Instagram not so long ago. I'm sure you've been online. So you couldn't phone your son to say... Anyway, another thing as well. So every time you say to Jermaine that you're going to come and you don't come, Jermaine makes excuses to why you don't come up. He's even said down to a point where one time he said, maybe because it's raining outside really hard, why my dad's not able to travel to me. Yeah? Or one time he said, maybe my dad hasn't got no data as to why my dad's not phoning me. Your youth said that, Jason. Your youth, Stylo, said, maybe my dad doesn't have no data as to why he couldn't phone me. It's only the other day my son said, yeah? Man burst out into tears to me, yeah? Ready to fight me to say, Mum, I can't give no more excuses to why my dad doesn't come and pick me up. My dad, he feels like his dad don't love him. Stylo, yeah? So you're on Instagram and Facebook posting about me and your relationship. I didn't support you. Where is the support for your youth? Please tell me. Please tell me, rude boy. Where's the support for your youth? Let me listen to this. Please unlock your phone. Let me listen to this because, boy... Stylo, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you.
Come on back. Fuck her good at night time.
Fuck me good at night time. What's that got to do with you?
My aim was to be a star. I can make money. Finish my legacy. What my father was doing. You understand me?
Now.
10 years past now. And for the last 10 years, people, I've been going through this non-stop. She not allow me to see my son. She not allow me to see me anytime I see my...
Right, again, let me stop that right there. Listen. I allow this pussy Stylo to come and see you anytime he wants. Let me tell you something that's so deep, yeah? And this is so deep and personal. I shouldn't even be posting this shit right now. But it's about my son, yeah? But let me tell you how much of a waste man Stylo is, yeah? You see Jermaine? He's been seeking his dad's attention so bad that in school he's naughty, yeah? He's forever being sent to the detention room, yeah? My son's got so much anger. I'm trying to send him to boxing class. I've got to pay for all this, because I've got to pay for it myself. Stylo ain't helping me. I'm trying to get him in after school activities. Stylo, you ain't giving me no money for this. Yeah? Let me tell you what happened the other day. Yeah, not even the other day, sorry. Last year. My youth phoned me, crying down the phone to me. Mum, someone tried to kidnap me. Mum, someone tried to take me away. So me as his mum, I'm running home, leaving work early, running home for my youth. Yeah? I'm going to phone police. I'm going to phone Stylo, his dad. Yeah? Cut a long story short, police were here. Stylo was here. The police were taking DNA from me and my son, taking mouth swabs from me and my son. Guess what this waste man Stylo was doing in the corner on his phone? Watch him laughing, laughing and joking on Instagram. Yeah, the police officer looked at him. I looked at him. Jermaine looked at him, thinking, why is he so happy? This is a situation. Your son's just been nearly kidnapped. Yeah, hold on a minute. So now your son's seeking attention again and says, Dad, can you spend the night, please? Can you stay the night with me? So I said, you know what? I'm not going to name my boyfriend's name, but I said, oh, you know what? I'll stay with my boyfriend. Jermaine, your dad can stay here with you. He didn't stay anyway. He didn't stay with Jermaine anyway. But cut a long story short, the police officer, after the police officer checked the cameras, the police officer said to me that nothing happened. Your son's seeking attention from your dad. Yeah? I phoned this pussy Stylo G and I told him that your son is seeking attention from you. Yeah? He needs you. Your son needs your love. Yeah? You know what you turn around and say to me? Can you send me your email address because I need to send something from my manager? That's what you said to me, Stylo. And when I said to you, did you not hear what I said to you? You told me, you had the audacity to tell me these people are white, they don't understand my life. What, because you live in hut? And hold on, the next thing, you turn around and say, I live in council house. Yes, damn right, I live in a council house. I pay my rent every fucking month, rude boy. Yeah? But what, you living in a hut? What, you think you got millions in your account? Hold on, let me finish watching your video. Take this. I'm vexed, you know, Stylo, you ain't ready for me. You ain't fucking ready for me.
Put myself on Instagram it's like, I have to do something trash, I have to beg her.
Beg me?
Please.
I have to beg him to see you.
So, the whole story now, you know, my career start take off. I meet Lisa. When I meet Lisa, she hate Lisa because Lisa was supportive with my music. Lisa support me.
Let me correct that again. Correction, I did not hate Lisa. Yeah? I'm not even going to go into that about Lisa because me and Lisa are cool. But hear what? Stylo, she was funding you. Remember that? She was giving you money, Stylo. Did you forget about that, baby daddy?
Sell me CD, Lisa support me.
She was funding you, baby.
This girl never support me once.
I gave you money too.
Boom. With my passport and my papers, I was still illegal. I was illegal up till 2012.
I helped you.
When I do free up.
Free up? What the fuck?
You know, it's because of the music. The music money me save.
Sorry, you're talking a lot of shit.
I drop a song called My Youth. If you don't listen, you know that song My Youth. You don't want to get rushed, My Youth. I pay for that myself, pardon the money, ask my mother. That blow me up, give me a name in England.
Can't wait for this part here. I can't wait for this part here coming up.
Youth, that's what makes me Stylo G right now. You understand me? That money me take, I'ma start, I just say, yo, this is it.
Hold on, when are you talking about your son? Please tell me, when are you talking about your son?
Get up there. This girl.
Me now? What about your youth?
Like she don't want me to play a part in my son's life.
What about your son? What am I doing to stop you?
As a man, I don't know any other man I go through this, but look, they no filter, me no dress up, me no fix up.
We're not talking about you, rude boy. We're talking about your youth.
You get me? So yeah, and then she write up things so me now take care of my son.
You don't?
She bring me to child support, and when the child support pop up,
listen.
the child support was £170 a month. So she realized I was giving her more money. You understand, my mom? May I give her more money than with the child support request.
Right, this is my favourite part. Woo! Listen, this waste man said he was giving me £170 a month. Let me tell you something, right? This pom-pom said he was giving me £170 a month. Listen, let me tell you something. Right, so just now, I'm not gonna lie, I got CSA on him because he don't give me no money, yeah? CSA said he's meant to give me £140 a month, yeah? He didn't give me nothing. They've been chasing him for years, yeah? I'm so vexed that I'm shaking right now, yeah? They've been chasing him for years. He ain't giving me no money. We didn't come to no agreement for him to put money in my account. But let me give you the best part. Hear him. Me give you £170 in my account. In it, mommy. What's your mum saying? Your mum ain't saying nothing because she knows you're a waste man, rude boy. Waste man. Unlock this. Waste man, about £170 in my account. And hold on, you have the audacity to screenshot the £30-40 that you put in your youth's account. You know that he was asking you for money for PlayStation. What is that change going to do, Stylo? If you got all these millions in your account, why are you putting £30, £40 in your youth's account? Please tell me. Please.
So she don't bother with the child support. She said, okay, let's work together.
No, hold on. Next thing. And with child support, because he's self-employed, you can't get nothing from him. You can't force him. He don't give me no money. Stylo, you know the real deal. You don't give me no money. Yeah? You're vexed because I'm hotting you up right now. I know you're ready to bawl your eyes out. I know you're ready to cry like a baby. Yeah? You fucked with me wrong time.
money to her every month.
Every month.
No problem.
No problem.
We're together. Me look after Javier. If you look at my son, every time I have him on the ground, I take him out.
Whenever he does eventually show up to see his youth, he will make sure he's got pictures to post on Instagram. You don't see your youth all the time. You do it for face. You do it for clout. Yeah?
Every time I put myself on the ground, I take him out. I buy him shit every time. Anything.
You don't buy your youth nothing, Stylo. Me do. Listen, I work 2 jobs. Monday to Friday. And yes, I was working with Lotus. You didn't get that job. It's because I used to hang with Ali. Yeah? We were good. We were cool at that time. Yeah? I was working Monday to Friday, Saturday to Sunday. Sorry, Friday, Saturday, and sometimes Sunday. And when I was working the weekend, I was earning like what? I'm not even ashamed to say it. I was earning £150. But hear the joke. Hear the biggest joke. I was earning £150 for that weekend. Yeah? Working from 10 till 3. Stylo, my baby daddy, you was giving me money. If you was giving me money, I wouldn't have to work my ass off like that. Yeah? I was doing a Monday to Friday job. I was also doing a cleaning job. And I was also doing a weekend job. I'm not ashamed to say that because I was working for me and my youth. Yeah? Whatever my son has, because of me. Because of me. Yeah? Every month, I pay my fucking rent in my council house. Yes? Stylo? But hold on. You got all these millions. Why are you not making sure that your baby mother and your youth's got a yard to live in?
Fly him out. Check everything. You see my Instagram, that's why I don't delete no. So now, she bitter because Stylo G is blowing up. Stylo G has become this big star.
Stylo, you ain't that special
blood.
blood.
We don't look on her, none at all. We don't look on this girl, none at all. I've stopped transferring money to her last year because I realized she took the money and she's not spending it on my son. She got Turkey, she got Las Vegas, all these places.
Hey! Let me correct this fool. I went to LA, yes, with my man. Yeah? My man paid for me to go to LA. My man I've been with for 6 years, yeah? My man paid for me to go to LA. I didn't even have to bring spending money. Yeah? And I went to Turkey. I went to Spain with Lotus Bar. Yeah? I went with them. Because hey what? I work and I paid my own shit. Stylo G, you don't give me no money. Hey! Unlock this shit. Hey, Stylo, you ain't ready for me. You ain't ready. Yeah? You ain't ready. And Lotus Bar, you're next. Watch. You're next.
Spanish town.
It's one.
We get born because the first time, that's when we decide to leave. You know? A paint house. Ocean, a paint house.
Ocean, a paint. Who's Ocean? The paint house. Yeah.
Fitting kitchen.
Which kitchen?
And then when I come from jail, he's a man in the background. I say, who is that on the phone? It's from this people. This was 2000.
What possessed me to get rid of this crazy frog lookalike? Jesus. Why are you not talking about your youth yet? Where are you talking about your son?
I even give her a job in Lotus. She was working in Lotus the other day.
You should be ashamed to say you got me a job, rude boy in Lotus, earning £150 for a weekend. You should be ashamed to say that, Stylo. But hear what? You were promoting Lotus more than you were promoting your own youth because you were funding Lotus, going up there every Thursday, making sure you was there Thursdays. But hold on, the bar is round the corner from our yard. So how comes you were able to go to the bar, but you weren't able to come and check your youth? Stylo, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you.
Listen, I said, we give the girl a job in a Lotus.
Job in a Lotus?
She started talking with the people, cuss the people, she worked there for like few. She cannot tell.
You can't tell me you can't say how long I worked there.
English girl that just don't like Jamaicans. I don't know how she.
When are you going to talk about your youth?
But yeah, it hurt me, it upset me. And I just be real. Right now, I'm in Spanish town. I try to fix my people, I fix my family, I fix where we are come from in our life, yeah?
Right now, sorry. Let me tell you something. Right now, you're not even talking about your youth. You're talking about hardship life in a yard. Yeah? You're gonna support your Jamaicans them. You're gonna support Spanish town and all this place that you're buying. You are talking about hardship life in Jamaica. When are you gonna talk about your youth? When are you gonna talk about your youth? Press play, please. This guy's really pissing me off.
You get me? Them English, most of them just want to sit down and take body in them blood clot pussy.
I didn't watch EastEnders.
Fix where I come from, people. So if me decide I want to fix where I come from, see my mother there, my mother still there. You get me? You get me? So me I say, me need to fix where I come from. So me I say, so this is a message I don't want to take it and run with it. I want to take one and run with it. But me, no, me I don't.
When are you going to talk about your youth?
Every day, I just call them and say, yo, one on one.
Sorry, I'm bored. I'm just going to stop it real quick, yeah? But there was a part where he was calling out my name, my first and my last name, and there was a part where he was calling out my address. So please tell me something. Tell me something, Stylo. Tell me something, Stylo. If you really care for your youth and your youth's safety, why the ass would you put my fucking address on social media, pussy? Why would you really do that? Please tell me, why would you put my address on social media? Let me tell you something. You see right now, your youth's left the house. Let me tell you why your youth's left the house. Because he's worried. He's worried that you've exposed our address. So he's worried that he don't know which crazy fan or which crazy person will come to the yard. Because you're that thick, Stylo. This is a Jamaican mentality. Retard. Giving out my address. When you're in Jamaica talking about how you're going to live a good Chris life in your local hut. Why? Unlock this phone, please. Jesus. This boy really done mess with the wrong girl.
Everything. Because my mother look after me and my father look after me. So she's the one to tell them which way you come from. Just please stop. I'm begging you, please.
Please stop exposing you. Because I'm going to continue. You are a waste man.
Tesco. And the EastEnders life.
Hold on. Sorry, I have to pause this. How many times are you going to talk about Tesco and EastEnders? How many times? Come on, big and serious. How many times are you going to talk about Tesco and EastEnders life? When are you going to talk about your youth? Because all jokes aside, as much as I'm cussing him, your youth's hurting, Stylo. And I've said this to you. Your youth, numerous of times, I've had to say to you, your son isn't seeking attention. You know, if I was to give you a few questions to ask you right now, what is your son's teacher? What's the teacher's name? Is it a man or a woman? What's the head of year's name? When does he next have half term, Stylo? Stylo, I could go on. I could fucking go on. But hear what? I'm bored. I want to listen to the rest of the video. I'm really fucking bored. Stylo, you know I want to cuss out your ass right now. Yeah? Talk about Yardie, man. I will put it on you, Yardie style. Yeah? You taught me Yardie. I will give it to you, Yardie style.
You understand me? Fine, the next man that can fuck you good.
Let me put my mouth.
Simple. Very simple. I make me agitate myself now because the reason why is because I love my kids them and anybody talk.
Me love the kids them.
Now get boo, my girl. Now get boo. A millions of people have a Jamaican account and hundreds of thousands of English account. I can show you right now.
Hold on. Sorry, the celebrity right now is talking. He's going to show his account right now. But let me just say something. I can't talk for his other daughter because he's that waste that they don't have a relationship. His son, my son, Stylo's son, loves his sister to bits. But they don't see each other because Stylo's so waste and busy doing what he's doing out on road that they don't see each other. Now, he's about to talk about his celebrity lifestyle, that he's got millions in his account, millions in his Jamaican account, and millions in his London account. Yeah. Hey. Why? He's got millions in a Jamaican account. But hold on. You just posted that your son had 30, 40 pounds in his account. Stylo, if you've got millions in your account, why ain't your youth got millions in his account? Why is it I'm having to buy his shoes and clothes and ting there? Sorry?
I never run joke when it comes to money, but yeah, I mean, I've been an empire now. I've been an house now. That's where my future is. So sure.
That's what your future is.
Beg up, please. Just leave my son, make me and Javier get on. Javier if you're eyeing, run phone washing. Around 3 number now, Javier if you're get. How can my son, my own son, want to talk to his... Let
me tell you the situation with that, yeah? Right, as I'm his full-time mother, I'm his full-time carer, I'm the only one that does the discipline around here. I'm the only one that does anything around here, yeah? So you see, now my son's seeking attention at school. My son's seeking attention at school. Hear what? I fucking forgot what I was going to say. Unlock this. My son's seeking attention at school. Hold on. That's it. That was it. So my son's seeking attention at school. Yeah? So if he's been naughty, I will take away his phone. I will discipline him like a mum's supposed to. But you see, my son, because his dad's not around, the only communication he can have with his dad is a telephone. So sometimes, if I've taken my son's phone away from him, I'll leave it up on the side. I'll leave it up on the side. My son will be sneaky, take his phone, like what kids do. Take his phone, occasionally message his friends. He thinks I don't know. Message his friends. Yeah, he'll message his dad. Because if you think about it, Stylo, if I take away his phone from him, that's all ties between you and him, because you won't check for him. You know where we live. You don't knock the door for him to say, "Well, son, I'm going to come and get you." You make all these promises about, "Oh, I'm going to come to the house and do this with you," or "I'm going to, I'm going to come pick you up at school." You leave the little boy in school and he's ringing down your phone. Where are you, Dad? Where are you? You're not answering your phone. But I'm sure you're updating your fans on Instagram, aren't you? I know you're going to bar right now. I know you're crying right now. I know you're crying, Stylo. I'm hot in your business up, rude boy. If I wanted to go in, I would go in and hard. More on your personal shit, yeah? But right now it's about our child, yeah? I'm exposing your little ass.
I'll beat him. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, go tell your shit, pussy.
You have to go to the proper way of doing it. You know, when you go to the proper way, you become like an idiot. Me, I run go to court and family court.
Stylo, you want to take me to court? I beg you, please take me to court. You don't want to take me to court because you don't want to have no responsibility. I beg you, please, Stylo G, aka Jason McDermott. I beg you, please take me to court. I beg you.
I'm gonna say, you know what? It's a woman, and you know the emotion and some of those deal with things. You know what I say?
Thanks, baby, Princess C.
All of these websites please, Rebecca, please. I'm just trying to build my empire now. It's my empire.
Sorry. All about Stylo G. When are you gonna talk about your youth, Stylo? When are you gonna talk about your youth, pussy? I haven't heard it yet. What do you do for him? Please tell me, what do you do for him? Because all jokes aside, right now my son is going through some shit, yeah? And I'm having to pick up the pieces all on my own. Stylo, I've tried to reach out to you. This is the only way to reach out to you. Through Instagram, yeah? Through Instagram. So your fan... Now, you know what? I tried to keep my mouth shut for so many years, yeah? I don't want to expose your ass. But guess what, pussy? Crazy frog look-alike, face look like dragon. Let me tell you something. I'm about to expose you, pussy. And I know right now you're in Jamaica balling, crying like a baby. Balling, woo! Stylo's crying like a baby! Woo! You can't handle me, Stylo. That's what it is. English mentality.
Fly come to Jamaica and cancel one big house. When the dead left it, it's in a field name. You just step on this EastEnders and this Tesco thing and fuck on night time and stay up.
I don't go to Tesco, darling.
You understand me? So simple. Me I do that video for proof. Do not listen to that video for clear myself. Things, my mother there, so ask my mother.
Your mom not saying nothing because she knows your waist man too, Stylo.
You see me flying my son, ocean, everything. My daughter, I do this for my kid.
Let me correct you as well. Another thing as well, what's so sad, and it breaks my heart to even say this, yeah? Stylo went to Jamaica recently. He goes back and forth because remember, Stylo, I got you that passport, yeah? Actually, Javane got you that passport, yeah? So you've been going back and forth to Jamaica. You took your daughter to Jamaica, yeah? Posting up all these videos on Instagram, posting up fucking, what's it called? You and the dolphins with your daughter. But what about your you? What about Javane? Because Javane was really upset and said the last time he went with you, I'm not gonna lie, my youth come back looking ill. He looked like he's been in the shade in Jamaica. I had to come back and feed him, but give him banana porridge because he looked like he was ill. Stylo, my youth was with you and he's come back and seen that his little sister's gone and done more shit than what he done. How do you think he feels, Stylo? On a real, are you not considering your son's feelings? Because yeah, I'm cussing you out. I'm cussing you about your shit dad. Stylo, you are a waste man. Listen, let me listen. Waste man, yeah? Unblock this phone. Waste man, pussy-o. Waste man.
Kids, we don't do this for nobody else. The whole of my money in my account.
The whole of your money. Watch this now.
Watch this. Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone, please. Because, yeah, we come from Homestead. We live in a little small bedroom.
No, on a real, yeah? On a fucking real. How many times is he gonna talk about where he fucking lives? We live in a one small little hut in a Jamaica. Listen, all your brethrens that are commenting are all the Jamaican people that live the hardship lifestyle. Every Jamaican live this hardship lifestyle, rude girl. Yeah? Everybody fucking live this hardship lifestyle. But hear what, Stylo? Please, I beg you. When are you gonna start telling me that you're there for your youth? Because hear what? Your son's not getting any younger. He's getting older. He's turning into a big man now. You don't even know how big your boy is. Yeah, you don't even know how all of these good achievements that he's doing, all the hardship that he's going through. You don't know nothing about that. Pussy, you don't know nothing about that yardie man. You call you a yardie man, and he's a little liar about that. Yeah, call me a yardie for me. Yardie, a yardie man. You ain't got no fucking sense. Yardie. Yeah, I will. Listen, you taught me how to speak yardie, and I'll give you your yardie mentality back. Yeah. Let me finish this video. Jesus Christ. Jackie Chan now.
When you grow up, make sure you buy a house and make sure you build up. That's my name.
No, look after your youth too.
Life, my girl, and the EastEnders life.
How many times did you talk about just called EastEnders?
I'm a star. I know that I was a star. I was a musician. So you never believe in me. I said that I'm talentless. I'm saying to you, my girl, just make me and my son have a relationship.
I've been trying, Stylo.
Oh
yeah, that's the next one. Hold on there. The man said, let me give you the joke. Yeah, I might have to pull up on this video. Let me tell you the joke. He said, let me tell you exact words. I trick his mother to get a nationwide account, a bank account. Let me tell you something, pussy. Oh, you're so much of a retard you are. As a gift, I got my son a card for Christmas. As a Christmas gift. Yeah, that was my idea. And I told this pussy I got an account for him, so you need to start putting money in the account. Yeah? Second of all, which part is it nationwide? The account's not nationwide, you look a bumper hole. Which part nationwide? That's how you know your shit down, you can't even explain yourself properly. Justify yourself, rude boy!
Nationwide account. Yeah, I can show more figures, but I don't want to show too much figures on my thing.
Because you ain't got shit. Get my phone for me. The man said no, because you ain't got no figures. Look, no, we can't give him the figures. Let me show you the figures now. You ain't got no figures, rude boy!
I'm gonna have to tell nobody nothing. And when it comes to Jamaicans, it's millions. I got millions in my next account.
Oh no, I ain't heard nothing about your youth.
I realize that most of the youth them, my father never been in future. Not for my father never been in never said nothing to we. We never inherit nothing.
Oh yeah, this video, let me tell you something. This video, big up yourself, Stylo G. Because this video is for you, yeah? It's nothing about your youth, nothing to talk about your youth. This video is to talk about living in Jamaica, having hardship in Jamaica. Now you got millions, yeah? But you got millions, but what about your youth? Yeah? What about your youth?
In life, I'm a daughter. So you have a problem with that? Just leave me alone, please, man. Let me just do my thing, man. Let me just do my thing, man. I tell you, man, trust me. Everybody there sells witness.
I'm embarrassed.
Yeah,
I'm embarrassed. I'm
Trust
embarrassed, Stylo. You're gonna be crying like a baby right now. What's you crying on your mum's arm? Crying like a baby. Whoa! Oh yeah, your dreadlocks are fake, by the way. People, his dreadlocks are fake. Look, he's not done yet. Watch him.
Yeah, that's just why.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Support and dating. So yeah, just this man, let me say this message I'm a baby mother right from foreign. And the
from foreign.
Enough man they are foreign go through this.
Same foreign place you want living. Same foreign place that you want living. The same red book you want. Pussy.
But listen, now my papers know.
Yeah, because of me and your youth.
Now tell you the truth, I'm alright. Because I'm alright with this. Waking up with porridge, your mother running. You don't need else. So all I wanna feel like say over this red book and this passport thing, I feel like someone got angry and choke over this. It now gonna work. Now tell you that. Cause Brexit take with themselves. So see.
Anyway, you know what? I'm done with that video. Before I go, I just want to say big shout out to Nikki and Ali. You're both fucking crackheads and you're both fake. Yeah? I just had to mention that part. But let me tell you something. Stylo, you are rolling with the wrong people. Yeah? And all jokes aside, again, this is our son. Yeah? After this video, it's me that has to pick up these pieces. Because right now, my son's heart is breaking. Yeah? My son's going through some deep shit that it's only me picking up the pieces. You're just, what you doing, Stylo? Worrying about what people are thinking about you on video. Stylo, you're waste. You are waste. You are waste.
Viewers and subscribers, the video that I just presented to you, viewers and subscribers, that video is out on social media, and the person that you saw in the video is said to be Stylo G's baby mother. You know, the artist that is known as Stylo G, yeah? The female that you see in the video, yeah, it is said that the female is his baby mother. Now, that lady went on social media and said some things, you know, in response to a video that had been done by Stylo G, that had been put out there on social media. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, everything will happen there, so me not really and truly business about for them part of this thing and them so forth. You see me I tell you what me think about this video. You see it? First of all, anyone, any man, any woman will put them mother first. Me respect them for that. Me not discredit nobody for that. You hear me say? Anyone will put them mother first, or you can say parents first, because you know you have to remember father too, you know. So me say parents first. Anyone, any man, anybody will do that. Me not discredit them for that. You see me I say? Now when it comes down to this video on social media, some of the comments them on social media just make me have a shake me and say to myself, say, yeah, me. You know, it's like persons just sit and wait for the artist them do something, and as soon as something happen in the artist them life and you know something exposed about the artist them, is like them ready for just tear down the artist them, all kind of comments, ready for tear them down and them things, you see me? And in my point of view, a video like this shouldn't even dip on social media in the first place. None of them business that shouldn't even touch out on social media in the first place. But it done out there already. You see me I say, and people and make comments. See me, but here what me see now. From one out of the other side, you see me, I don't know if it's this side or that side, but I see jealousy. And me see envy as well. You see me I say? And me see where, you know, somebody just feel a way about something. According to how me notice these, you know, these videos that is out there of, you know, these persons, you see me, which is Stylo G and, you know, his baby mother. You see me I say? And I think that communication can fix this. I saw me look at it, you see me? But this is just my opinion, you see me? Again, me, Dancehall, I see this whole thing happen on social media. And you don't know me name Dancehall. I mean, I looking at it and I say, you know, some comments when I see on it, I try to tear down the entertainer, you see me, because you know some things have been exposed a certain way according to what them say. I'm not really up for them thing there. You see me I say? You will see a man and his baby mother cuss today, but you see tomorrow, the same person, you might have go take one side and take this aside, and the same person where you try to take side with, the two of them might find themselves together and you get left. So that me I tell you, when it comes down to baby mother and baby father relationship, you know, remember me tell you, the fire stick around to catch. Alright, so me I say big up Stylo G, big up the baby mother, big up the youth, the family, them big up on yourself. So me I say me Dancehall say so. Yes, so me I say yeah. And as for those who are wait upon the artists or entertainers, them are people like to expose on social media and go tear them down. Them things have to cut out, alright? Yeah, so me left it no viewers and subscribers. I don't know me Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.